Hello and welcome my dear Prep3 students. Mr. Hani with you from Badr Tigers Private Schools. We are going to take Unit 2, Lesson 1. Unit 2's title is Books and Reading. Let's start with Lesson 1. And Lesson 1 is gonna be a conversation between two students. Read the conversation. What do you think a book review is? Tariq? I have some time before my next lesson. Let's choose a book to read. Omar. There are lots of historical stories here, but there are few detective stories. Tariq. That's because detective stories are more popular, aren't they? People like trying to solve the problems before the detective. People have less interest in historical stories. Omar. Detective stories are too long. I have little time to read this year because I have more schoolwork, so I want a book with fewer pages than a detective story. Tariq. This book has the fewest number of pages and will take you the least amount of time to read. Omar. Tariq. That book is about traveling, isn't it? Tariq. True. This book is good. Its title is 10 Facts About the World. Omar. I read the review of that book. It said it was very good. I'll read that. After reading this conversation, let's identify the most important words or most important vocabulary in this unit or in this lesson. The definitions. Historical. Of or concerning history or past events. Detective. Concerning crime and its investigation. Popular. Liked or admired by many people or a particular group of people. Title. The name of a book, composition, or any artistic work. Review. A report or an evaluation on a subject or past events. And now let's answer some questions according to this text. Number 1. What does Tariq want to do before his next lesson? Did you know the answer? The answer will be he wants to read a book. Excellent. Question number 2. Why does Tariq say that detective stories are more popular than historical stories? Right. Because people like trying to solve the problem before the detective. Question number 3. Why doesn't Omar have very much time to read this year? The answer will be because he has more school work. Question number 5. What kind of book does Tariq recommend to Omar? Sure, a book about traveling. The last one. How does Omar know that 10 Facts About the World is a good book? The answer will be he read a review of that book that said it was very good. That's all for lesson 1. Thank you and see you soon.